Welcome back, everybody. So this video is about the second tea, which is gonna be, let's see, 1 gallon. So let's pour it in. All right, everyone. So we're gonna this one's gonna consist of 2 ingredients as well. It's gonna be a tea. We're gonna brew it, aerate it for 24 hours, maybe 48. So the first ingredient is super compost. All right, we're gonna open it up just a little bit, just so we can get access to it. We don't want to open a big old hole. We'll see if it's where is it open? Okay, seems like it's open from here, but yeah. A tablespoon per gallon. We're gonna make this stretch. Because remember, we're just adding the microbes. And that's how it looks. So that's 1. And 3. They're heaping, generous spoons, but good full tablespoons. So 3 of them. And that's it for this ingredient. The super compost. Now, the second ingredient is Azomite is dynamite. Yep. So this I don't know if you guys can see it. Azomite micronized, 44 pounds, man. So we're gonna add you can never overdo it with azomite or rock dust or minerals. So we're gonna add 1 more tablespoon instead of 3, because we only have 3 gallons. We're gonna add 4 tablespoons of azomite micronized, because there's a granular version. The granular, like little pebbles, little and they look more like grains of sand, a little bit bigger, more coarse. But yeah, so the point is that that's what we're gonna do. Good old azomite. that's one. That's four. That's it. We're done. That's it. Peace, love, and health. Laters.